Okay, today we are looking at a Zippo that was specifically made for today, February 7th, 2016. And it is a Zippo that is sanctioned by the NFL. It's got a NFL hologram on the back. And the label on this one is NFL 50th. This is definitely a collectible box. And if you look right here, this is the price tag that you will find on it if you go into the local Quickie Mart. $49.95. I got it for about 30% less than that. So let's take a look at this thing. It's got a little bit of a officially licensed product of the National Football League on the inside. This is a high polish armor. Got a really good sound. Now the bottom of it says J of 15, which is, I think it's October last year, and you can see that little A right in the middle inside that shield. That means it's armor. So it is about 20% thicker than a normal Zippo. High polish. 50th Super Bowl Zippo. And this is a limited edition, and it is limited to 1,750 pieces. This happens to be number 993 of 1,750. That's engraved on there. So that is made just for today. Super Bowl 50. Pretty collectible Zippo. And does have a collectible box also. I believe that deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.